Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you've been scrolling through fitness forums or watching supplement reviews, you've probably come across Black Ox, a testosterone booster from Enhanced Labs that's generating a lot of buzz. It claims to help with energy, muscle growth, libido, and even hormone balance. Big promises, right? But is it worth your money? And more importantly, does it actually work? All right, let's start with the basics. Black Ox is marketed as a natural testosterone booster. According to Enhanced Labs, it's designed to increase total and free testosterone, improve libido and energy levels, support muscle growth and recovery, balance hormones, including estrogen, to avoid side effects like water retention or mood swings. It's a supplement with 11 key ingredients, all combined to tackle testosterone and hormone health from multiple angles. But are these claims supported by science? Let's break down the formula ingredient by ingredient. Fenugreek is one of the most researched testosterone-boosting herbs out there. Clinical studies have shown that it can increase free testosterone by reducing SHBG. Basically, it keeps your testosterone more active. At 1,000 milligrams, this dose is double what many studies used, which makes it one of the standout ingredients here. It's also great for libido and workout recovery. Science check. Proven effective at this dose. Tongkat Ali, also known as long jack, this herb is well known for its ability to reduce cortisol and improve testosterone levels, especially in men with low T. Studies typically use 200-400 milligrams, so this dose is on point. It's also been shown to help with libido and overall mood. Science check, well supported and dosed correctly. Fadogia Agrestis. This ingredient has gotten a lot of hype lately, but here's the truth. The research is limited to animal studies. In rats, it increased testosterone, but we don't have human studies to confirm this or to evaluate its safety over time. This makes it a bit of a gamble. Science check, promising but unproven. Bulbine natalensis. Similar to Fadogia, bulbine has only been tested on animals. While it boosted testosterone in those studies, it also showed signs of liver toxicity at higher doses. Without human research, it's hard to recommend confidently. Science check, risky and needs more research. DHEA is a precursor hormone that your body can convert into testosterone, or estrogen, depending on what it needs. It's been shown to help older men with declining levels, but younger, healthy men might not benefit much. Science check, effective for older men, not as useful for younger users. DIM and indole 3, carbinol. These compounds help metabolize estrogen, converting it into less active forms. This can help prevent hormone imbalances, especially if you're taking something that increases testosterone and, by extension, estrogen. While effective, the doses here are slightly on the lower side compared to research recommendations. Science check works, but could be better dosed. Velvet bean contains L-dopa, which increases dopamine. Higher dopamine can lower stress and prolactin, both of which indirectly support testosterone. However, it's not a direct testosterone booster. Science check. Good for stress, not for direct testosterone increases. Akarkara. This traditional herb is said to enhance vitality, but there's very little scientific evidence to back this up. It's more of a general tonic than a testosterone booster. Science check lacks solid evidence. Black pepper extract. This doesn't affect testosterone directly, but enhances the absorption of other ingredients. It's a smart addition to ensure the formula is as effective as possible. Science check, useful for absorption. So does Black Ox work? Here's what we know. If you're over 30 and experiencing low testosterone symptoms like low energy, reduced libido, or difficulty building muscle, this supplement might help. Ingredients like Fenugreek and Tongkat Ali have strong scientific backing and are dosed appropriately. But if your testosterone is already normal, you're not going to see dramatic results. This isn't a steroid, it's a support tool. It's also worth noting that ingredients like Fadogia and bulbine are less proven and come with safety concerns. So, while parts of the formula shine, others need more research. Let's talk safety. Most ingredients in Black Ox are safe when used short-term, but there are two big exceptions. Bulbine natalensis. This has been linked to liver toxicity in animal studies. Without human data, it's risky. Fadogia agrestis. Promising, but we don't know its long-term safety. If you have liver issues or you're planning to use this long-term, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. See you next time.